Hello there! You're watching the Lychee Boy at work, and today, oops, hit my head there. We've got my friend Rohan over here.
Hey guys!
And we have a huge sheet of vinyl.
Vinyl.
And we will be wrapping his car roof with it right over here. And we've already gone with the first step. We've removed these rims so that we will easily be able to apply the vinyl. We've removed backlight and this antenna stub. That's the first step complete. Let's get into the very second step.
The second step will be to clean the car roof with cleaning products so that we'll be able to easily apply the vinyl. Let's get to that.
First we're going to take some soapy water, the microfiber cloth, and do a nice initial cleaning.
So what we're going to do now is clay bar the car. So here we have a clay bar, soapy water solution, very important, microfiber cloth. So what the clay bar does, it removes any contaminants which are bonded onto the paint. So how we use a clay bar, we take your soapy solution, make sure you use a lot of this. What we're going to do is take the clay bar and just run it along like this. Only horizontal movements. As smooth as glass. That's why it's very important to clay bar your car. We are done. As you can see, all the contaminants which were embedded on this roof had come out in the clay bar. Take your microfiber cloth, hold it, and then give it a light wipe down. You can see how clear and smooth the finish is.
We're ready for the big deal. The vinyl wrap is about to come. Let us begin.
Why are we still here?
Careful. Dude. Then that thing tore, it was gone. The sheet is gone. I can't use this. You can throw it. I don't care. That thing, it will really show.
I know. Honestly, it's not use it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy a separate one to do this again. I'm not gonna give it up. Sorry, man.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. I was doing that.
Oh God. There you go.
As you saw in the previous clip, we failed galactically with our vinyl and we had to go and buy a new one. It's very difficult to work with, and so we will need to apply different methods to apply it onto the roof, and that will involve soap.
Get to it.
So we're just using normal hand soap, and we're going to be applying it, lathering it onto the roof, so that when we apply the vinyl, it will not stick immediately onto the roof. This will allow us some time to work with it, because last time it stuck instantly and it tore apart. That's why we're applying this lubricating layer. Giving this car a bath, are we? Giving it a bath. Are we still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Once we've applied it and put it into position, then we're going to use the squeegee and we're going to pull this out immediately, and the adhesive will go right onto the surface. Yeah. In theory, we haven't tested this yet.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to peel off the vinyl all at once and we won't tear it like last time.
Pick it up, I got it. Yeah.
So we've nicely trimmed the edges. Now we have to finalize this by heating it up so that it stays in place and sticks firmly and prevents any peeling from happening in the future. Let's get to it. So we've wrapped the vinyl successfully. There are bubbles. We will get to those later. We're gonna add in the weather stripping over here, and we have heated all of the edges, and that is that more or less complete except for the bubble popping. Let's add the weather stripping.
Align it with the clip and press. There you go.
Time to pop some bubbles. We're just popping bubbles now that were unavoidable with this type of vinyl.
Vinyl. Wait, seriously?
Yeah. So we put the antenna stub back in place. This is meant for the antenna. However, we don't want this antenna anymore and we want something a little more fancy. So we're gonna take it off and we're gonna install a shark fin. This guy right here is gonna go right on top here. Let's do it.